Okay guys, we're all styled up, we're ready to go. Just want to do one final thing after we style our hair. We always want to check that outer perimeter. So I again recommend using that handheld mirror. Just give it a once over. You want to look around that back sides and the other side. Just make sure everything is blended in, proper coverage, looks great, so you're ready to go. If anybody's interested in this technology, whether you're a hair club client or somebody who's just catching this video online, this is a new skin technology exclusive through Hair Club. Check out our website, www.hairclub.com. Fill out a form, give your information. One of our image consultants will contact you. We'll get you in for an appointment, and we'll be more than happy to explain this technology to you. I hope my video helped, and you guys got this. You could do it at home. It's easy enough to get us through until the centers are all back open and we can have our hair done by the professionals. Thanks, guys.